Wow, this is a blue snake on the mulberry tree on my backyard. This is very scary. It climbs the tree for especially the baby bird, since the bird's nest is there. I have to tell my daughter every time to watch out of this scary and blue snake, because she always comes to collect the mulberry fruits from the tree during her free time. And today, accidentally, she sees these snakes and called me to see it. Somehow it is here on the tree. It is so scareful, and I want to chase them away and don't want them to come to my home. We see this almost every day, sometimes on the passion trees, as well as some other greens vegetable in the garden. I really don't like it at all. We need to be careful, and we don't want to get bitten by this snake at all.